Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm gonna do a little review for the folding mirrors from Cartrimhome. Let's get to it. It looks like few people they have some questions about these folding mirrors. Let me show you how exactly they work and I'm gonna answer some questions in here. First I'm gonna touch about the system, how it works. Here in the controls, I have the button that I put for the folding mirrors. It's not like the first generation where you have to put a button in here. This one, it has three settings. In the middle, it's automatic. In here, you're gonna fold the mirrors. In here, you're gonna keep them open. So, automatic in the middle. If we close it, the mirrors, they're gonna close. Same thing when you open. And these mirrors that are heated and they have the blind spot monitor. Now for the first question, someone asked, what happens if I close the mirrors and I go into a tight space, and then if I open the door, the mirrors they're not gonna open and hit something. Let's say you get to a tight space and you have to close them. Let's close the mirrors. Okay, we're gonna put them to the left and we're gonna close them. Turn off the vehicle. Like that, they're gonna stay closed. We lock the vehicle. If you are in a really tight space and you don't want the mirrors to open because they're gonna hit something, let's say we go back to the vehicle, we open the vehicle and they stay closed. Okay, and that's to the left. Now if you put it to the right, they're not gonna move. You can close the vehicle and you can open the vehicle and they're not gonna open. Now that you have the mirrors on the right hand side where they're not gonna move, let's see what happens when you turn on the vehicle. If you turn on the vehicle, they do gonna open. But if you close them, okay, you have them closed, open the door, it's on the closed side. Let's turn on the vehicle again, and they're gonna stay closed. They're not gonna open until you put it on the middle, and they're gonna open. So that's how it works. It has three settings. You close, you keep them in the same spot, and in the middle is automatic. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave you with this. I hope this answered the questions about these mirrors. And if you go to the Cartrimhome page, these mirrors, they're not gonna work with the 360 camera. They're not gonna work with that. But my RAV4 is an XLE 2021. So if you wanna get these mirrors for your vehicle, any RAV4 without 360 camera. Okay guys, I'll leave you with this. Link in the description for these folding mirrors from Cartrimhome if you wanna get it. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.